30-day trial, but it's actually a free software, because you will have free license and you will use it whatever you want, as if you want. So start to register. This register button will go you to its official site, to the Blueberry FlashBack official site, and will ask you for your first name and last name and your email. Here we are. After filling this information, you will have receive an email in your inbox. Take care, don't use any kind of known password for you. I mean, this password is just a password for this site and for this utility, so use any kind of password that is not your email password. Okay, this is security point. Your country and company, organization, whatever the job function, and submit this. You will receive an email. I'll show you the email right now. I tell you that hi, we already accept your license request, and give you a key. The key is appear right down here for security and privacy. I will not show you the key right now, but how we enter the key. And here is the last part of the video that will show you how to register the software. When you open the PB FlashBack Express Recorder, as this software, after installing, it give you two softwares. One of them is the playback and the other is the recorder. So one of them is this red circle, and with triangle, green triangle is the player, and the red circle is the recorder. This one is very useful. Also, we'll show you in another video how to use this playback to export the software, the movie you did record it. After that, you go to the help and enter review license key. This menu will appear for you, and you enter the email twice, add the license keys that you received by the email and your owner name, and say okay, and then the software is registered for you, and you enjoy it. It's a very, very useful and good utility, and easy, light utility to record from your screen movies. Next video will show you the player, and will show you some of the options and configuration for the playback recorder.